Hey there, my name's Erin, and usually I'm posting about homeschooling and lifestyle content, but today we're going to learn how to blanch and freeze peaches.
The first thing you're going to need is, of course, your peaches. And then I also have some Ziploc baggies and a marker. I'm also going to be using a sheet pan with parchment paper in order to freeze some of my peaches. I have this big stock pot of boiling water. As you can see, it's almost boiling. And then we need a big bowl for our ice bath and a small bowl that we're going to use to add sugar. That part's optional. I also have a secondary large bowl, and we're going to add our lemon to that, and that's going to preserve our peaches. I have organic brown sugar, that's what I decided to use to sweeten, and some lemon juice. I am also going to be using a measuring cup, tongs, a slotted spoon, and a couple of knives, one of them of which is for my son. I also need a measuring spoon for the lemon juice and the brown sugar. Now we have our ice bath ready to go right next to our boiling pot of water, and we have our bowl of preservative, and that is our lemon juice and our water, and we just have 2 cups of water to 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we can officially get started. We're going to use our slotted spoon to blanch our peaches for just 30 to 45 seconds or until we see the skin start to peel away from the peach. Then we will stick them straight into the ice bath, and they'll need to sit in the ice bath for about 3 minutes to cool. Once your peach has cooled, you should be able to easily peel off the skin. Look at that there. It just comes off in one piece, and you can just discard that skin. And you're going to hold the peach and slice into the pit all the way around that peach. You can make your slices bigger or smaller, just whatever you like, but you're going to hold that peach because it's going to be a lot more steady than the cutting board. And look at that, it'll just come right away from the pit, and you're going to put it straight into that lemon water mix we created earlier. After 4 to 5 minutes in that mixture, you can go ahead and get your peaches ready to freeze. One way to do this is to spread them on a cookie sheet, and this will allow them to freeze separately, so then you can take them out just a couple at a time if you want to add them to smoothies or something like that. The other way is to bag them. So I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of brown sugar, and that takes care of about 3 to 4 peaches, and I'm going to add those peaches to my bowl and mix them up so that sugar coats all of the peaches evenly. And once the peaches are ready, we're going to grab our bag that we've labeled, and we're just going to dump our peaches straight into the bag. I was able to get about 6 to 7 peaches per gallon Ziploc, and we're just going to make sure that's sealed tightly and get all the air out of the bag, and then we're going to lay that flat so it will store nicely in the freezer. And that's all there is to it. These peaches will store in my freezer for the next year. Thanks for watching. Bye.